Keep these three semiconductor stocks on your radar as the industry gears up for an AI revolution. It is impossible to imagine a world without chips, but due to the shortage, these stocks are trading at a discount. NVIDIA. NVIDIA could make massive gains from its AI investments. Advanced Micro Devices. Advanced Micro Devices is a good investment due to its diversified business. Taiwan Semiconductor. Taiwan Semiconductor's investments in crypto mining will pay off in the long term. Let's dive in. Here are the three semiconductor stocks to watch as the chip shortage continues. Welcome to Timely Investment Research. February was a good month for semiconductor stocks. After starting the year on a positive note, chip makers' stocks rose further last month. But as the chip makers started reporting their quarterly earnings and highlighted the dips of their inventories, their stocks fell. But the semiconductor industry has made it through the pandemic and a long year of supply shortage, and it has tremendous opportunities going forward. Given these points, the sector's stocks should be bought on weakness. Some analysts think that the sector is close to bottoming, and many investors clearly agree. Indeed, chip makers have gained 13.6% so far this year, while the Nasdaq is up 9.2% in 2023. The passage of the CHIPS and Science Act has also been a major positive catalyst for the sector. The industry will certainly recover, and the rebound could come as soon as the second half of 2023. Keeping this in mind, let's take a look at the three semiconductor stocks to watch. Number 1. NVIDIA. At the top of my list is chipmaker NVIDIA. The chipmaker is one of the biggest players in the semiconductor industry. NVIDIA stock bottomed in October, and it has been rising consistently since then. I believe the stock will continue moving upward this week as the company gears up to host its GTC 2023 event. When it comes to generating revenue, NVIDIA has ample opportunities, since the top tech companies use its GPUs for their cloud computing needs. Moreover, NVIDIA's data center business is growing rapidly. NVIDIA's revenue from data centers contributed 67% of its total sales last quarter. However, the biggest reason to bet on the stock right now is the tremendous potential of artificial intelligence. The company is tapping AI, and several companies will need NVIDIA's applications to use ChatGPT. This will lead to increased demand for NVIDIA's chips and strong revenue growth by the company in the coming quarters. NVIDIA is already positioned to benefit from the advances of the AI sector, and the proliferation of the technology should significantly boost its financial results. Citi analyst Atif Malik has a price target of $305 on NVIDIA and a buy rating on the stock. The analyst believes that the shares will benefit from growing AI adoption by multiple cloud service providers. Further, Morgan Stanley analyst Joseph Moore has a price target of $304 and an overweight rating on the name. NVIDIA stock is one of the best semiconductor names to own at this point. Number 2. Advanced Micro Devices. Next is NVIDIA's big rival, Advanced Micro Devices. The company struggled in the past few years due to the chip sector's challenges, but this is only temporary, and the company's future looks promising. Advanced Micro Devices stock is up 47% in 2023, but it's down 17% year over year, so it does have room to climb. When I recommended this stock last week, it was trading at $82. The stock is trading at $94.50 today, and one solid reason to bet on the stock is its data center business. The sales of Advanced Micro Devices embedded and data center segment increased by a double-digit percentage last quarter. I believe the company will continue to report strong data center revenue in the coming quarters, and the company's first quarter results could beat analysts' average estimates. Advanced Micro Devices stock is a strong buy. Advanced Micro Devices reported strong fourth quarter earnings. Its data center revenue soared 63% versus the same period a year earlier to $6.04 billion, and its operating income soared 86% to $1.8 billion. The company's operating income jumped thanks to its acquisition of Xilinx, and I think Advanced Micro Devices' operating income will continue surging thanks to the deal. Number 3. Taiwan Semiconductor. Taiwan Semiconductor is already a leader in the industry, since its chips are used across multiple sectors. Taiwan Semiconductor stock is nearing its 52-week high of $109. The stock is up 14% in the past 6 months and has risen after bottoming in November last year. Taiwan Semiconductor has made multi-million-dollar investments in its application-specific integrated circuit chips. The chips are used for mining crypto, and it is expected that the investment will generate massive returns for the company in the long term. Taiwan Semiconductor reported fourth quarter sales of $19.93 billion and holds $43.7 billion of cash. This shows its ability to invest in research and technologies that transform the sector. Fundamentally, Taiwan Semiconductor is very strong and it holds a solid position in the industry since most of the semiconductor companies source their chips from the Taiwanese company. So no matter what the market does, Taiwan Semiconductor is expected to report strong revenue. The firm recently announced that it would spend $40 billion to build a U.S. plant, and it will soon build a chip-making unit in Japan. As Taiwan Semiconductor's production capacity increases, the stock may hit new highs. Indeed, Bank of America analysts have a price target of $115 on the shares. Taiwan Semiconductor stock can surge massively, and the firm's investments could pay off in the long run. Thanks for spending some time with us today, Timely Investment Research. We're so glad you did. If you found value in today's video, please give us a like, hit that bell icon to never miss an upload, and hey, don't forget to subscribe.